plant science to microbial science to hardware development. But here's a couple of highlights that I'm going to share with you today. That's how we put the water through this little connection tube. And we have things called seed films. These are like soluble polymers where you put the seeds in so that they don't float around. And you can easily put them in.
We have pools on board when you guys are there. You can grow some plants.
Yeah.
You don't have to grow them in veggie, you have them in your cabin.
We've got also
Personal plants. We're talking to the CSA Crew-13, and they're really excited about you having the carrot stick stuff. Yeah.
We've actually been successful growing them at the very end. It's one of the pick and eat crops that is tasty sweet. We've actually been successful growing them with cotton pieces and dried out inedible vitamins. So you dry all your plant materials, the stem and the leaves that you don't eat, crunch them up, put them with cotton t-shirts, and you can grow mushrooms, oyster mushrooms. And so you don't have to worry about the spores because they don't develop any. But they're really tasty stir-fried.
They wilted some of the pak choy. They did pak choy in the warmer,
in
right?
the warmer.
With soy sauce and a little bit of liquid garlic.
On a lot of their projects is ready to engineer something to walk, constantly flowering. But you can see little strawberries already popping out into it like that. Yeah.
This is one of the prettier ones. With the pink flowers.
Exactly.
No strawberry I've seen it.
Doing a lot of molecular analysis, understanding how different plants of different sizes are going. On the projects, trying to engineer something to dwarf, constantly flowering, so you don't have to worry about seasons and time.
All the crops today are leafies and peppers and tomatoes.
We have some dwarf plums that we're growing in the USDA as well. So dwarf trees, the plum trees are pretty big. They're actually about this size. And we're also working with some blueberries. Over here, leaf. This is our first attempt at growing plants on the moon. It's our leaf payload that we're trying to launch with the Artemis program. We're doing a lot of molecular analysis, understanding how different plants of different sizes like to do all that molecular work that we want to do as well. So this is a huge project with Purdue University. We go over there and now we're going to feed you some.
This is science you can eat, right? So this is what this is about.
Feed you some microgreens. So if you want, this is cantaloupe, this is wasabi, sugar peas, bok choy, sunflower.
Growing and eating microgreens and microgravities, and we're going to work out a sustainable way to grow them.
If you cut the whole thing,
Yeah.
what's the regrowth? What's the regrowth?
Molecular analysis, understanding how different plants of different sizes are going to grow and respond to different environments on the moon. So the team here have designed this.
Yeah, but Nisha, you can take
where you're growing
a
your
few.
microgreens, you can twist it, and you can cut tissue back to do all that molecular work that we want to do as well. So this is a huge project with Purdue University. The cantaloupe does taste like cantaloupe.
Like what? What makes them more?
My personal favorite is wasabi because it really gives you that wasabi flavor. So if you want to just grab some and taste it.
We can grow these in 8 to 12 days.
Yep.
We're making something called a little snack box to test growing and eating microgreens and microgravities. And we're going to work out a sustainable way to grow them. They create the vitamins from the air and from the seed pack fertilizer. But when they get going and they start doing photosynthesis, it's really packed in there tightly.
All sorts of varieties.
Whole thing.
Yeah.
What's the regrowth?
Huh?
What's the regrowth?
So you don't regrow them, you harvest and then replant.
And the other thing that we do here while you guys want to grab some is designing technology.
Are available. How do we, like, is that a timelined activity or that's
It's not timeline, it's raised spaces, pastures you can get, and they are more nutritious than the fully grown crops.
The
How so?
cantaloupe does taste like cantaloupe.
Like what? What makes them more nutritious?
When you want to grow, you grow. And we just ask that you measure the light where it's at, it's not in veggie, and then take photos and water it. Because we're trying to go. As they grow, they create the vitamins from the air and from the seed pack fertilizer.
Thank you. Thank you, Trent. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
back.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yes, for sure. We'll talk to you later. Jeff Richards.
Nice to meet you. Sorry,